Oh, pornography everywhere. You don't have a choice. You have to watch some of the videos before you can download what you want to download. Sometimes you just click on an empty screen, it will take you to pornography website. You don't have a choice. Again, if I ask you, guy don't suck your breast, the answer is yes. Guy don't smoosh you, the answer is yes. I'm making it nice, coming from all, and I am not saying it's not possible. That's not what I'm saying. There are exceptions. So there are people that girls have not touched them. They are guys. Girls don't touch them. I'm talking about have sex with them, touch their private parts, touch their body like that, naked wise. No girl has done it. There are some girls, the same thing. Do you understand? And some of them, they are between the age of 18 and like 24, 26. No, we have a few of them in like maybe 29, 30, extremely few. Then above 30, I did not see anything. I have people that I know. Okay, let me say it like this, so that anybody that I've discussed with me before, or we have had sexual conversation, will not think that I'm using them to teach. Nevertheless, right? Making sure my teachings are accurate. There are people that they have done full body massage. Don't get me angry. You even choose who will do the massage for you. Why? Because, like you always say, in fact, in this class, we also teach about what a crush is. I've talked about it briefly. What you guys call crush, that's not a crush. Because you like the guy, Full body massage, full body. Some of you have never had sex, but you have done blow job. One guy somewhere, I've seen your nakedness. You have even done video call, naked video call. You have tested your nakedness to somebody. Male or female, I'm talking to everybody here. Then I'm coming here teaching you something that will save you. Are you not going to see this nakedness in the marriage? I emphasize. I said, I did not tell you to go and have sex. How do you come to my house and say you want to sleep over, for example? You now wear this way, I'm wearing this thing now. And there's no coat. You now wear this one, wear jeans, and wear everything. Throughout the night. I'm not doing. I don't mean this to disdain people. I don't mean this to tell you to be sexual. In fact, I will say it boldly. Most of you listening to me now are more spiritually inclined than you. Before you go ahead and say, don't be boasting. We are not boasting in men. Get out with your wrong thinking and face reality. We're not boasting in men. Again, I'm hammering on it. Most of you understand that, oh, why would you have to see somebody naked? You have had sex, you have even lost count. Most of you have lost count. Then a few of you that are saying, hey, does it not sound somehow? It's because you don't have training. You don't have self-discipline. You believe that once a girl is just naked, you must sleep with her. You believe that once you just see a guy's nakedness, it's sex. And I emphasize on the reasons. Let me give you some of the things. And I said this is in courtship. Oh. This is not the person is my connection, is my neighbor, is my estate friend, is my schoolmate. That's not connection. This is not acquaintance.